Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Gambrills local and long-distance movers near. Me, moving across the globe or interstate can be a lot more stressful than you can ever imagine. Hire 3 movers to make your move stress-free. We can get you moved easily even if it's a 3,000-mile distance. We have trusted staff so that you can rely on us for the safety of your belongings. Along with the finest moving services, we offer packing and unpacking services, transparent pricing, supplying packing materials, and an on-time move. A Gambrills local moving company should provide all the essential services you need for your local move. When you hire 3 movers, it ensures that your movables are moved right on time and sometimes even sooner. We can complete your local move in no time. We ensure that your movables are safe and secured in transit. Our experienced staff can complete a local move in just 1 afternoon. Our professional workers will handle all the services like packing, storage, moving, loading, and transportation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gambrills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.